Hi, this is Rob. First tip, setting up the shortcut button. This is the shortcut button. To set it up, go to Settings, scroll to Personalization, go down to Shortcuts, press the center button, and you can set one of these areas that the shortcut button will go to: camera, messages, email, internet sharing, which makes your phone into a Wi-Fi hotspot. Go to the internet, FM radio, music, calculator, calendar, clock, recorder, settings. I like to set my shortcut to settings. So now when I press the shortcut button, it takes me to settings. If your menu looks different than mine, you may be using a different firmware version than me. To see what firmware version you are using, go to Settings, scroll right to Device, go into Device Information by pressing the center button, scroll down to Software Update, press the center button. I am using version 20.00.17.01. Second tip, set the screen timeout. The default is set to 30 seconds until the screen blacks out due to inactivity. Go to Settings, go to Personalization, go down to Display, press the center button, scroll down to Screen Timeout. Press the center button. Your choices are 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or never. I like 2 minutes. If you're getting any value from this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to this channel. Third tip, choose the search engine you want to use on the Nokia 3600. You will have the choice to use Yahoo, Google, Bing, or DuckDuckGo. Go to Settings, go to Personalization, scroll down to Search, press the center button. Search engine is what we want, so press the center button. Pick the search engine you want to use. Fourth tip, tell websites and apps not to track you. Go to Settings, go to Privacy and Security, go down to Do Not Track, press the center button. The default setting is I want to be tracked. The top one is what you want. It is already highlighted blue, so just press the center button to select it. Your settings are saved. Fifth tip, turn off geolocation. Geolocation is the use of location technologies such as GPS or IP addresses to identify and track the whereabouts of a connected electronic device, in this case your phone. Go to Settings, go to Network and Connectivity, go down to Geolocation, press the center button, scroll down to Off, press the center button. Sixth tip, how to select one of your music files as your ringtone. Go to Music, go to Songs, highlight one of your songs, go to Options by pressing the right upper button. Scroll down to Save as Ringtone. Press the center button. Press the center button again to set as default ringtone. Press the right upper button to save. Seventh tip, turn on large text. Go to Settings, go to Device, go down to Accessibility, press the center button, go down to Large Text, press the center button, scroll up to Highlight On, press the center button. Large text is now on. Eighth tip, lock your screen and set a 4-digit passcode to unlock your screen. Go to Settings, scroll to Privacy and Security. Screen lock is already highlighted on top, so just press the center button. Press the center button, go up to On, press the center button. Up top, create your 4-digit passcode. For demonstrations only, I will choose 1, 2, 3, 4. Now enter the passcode again to confirm. Choose Create in the lower right by pressing the upper right button. Up top it says Passcode created. I'll go back to the main screen of the phone. I'll press the power button to turn off the screen. I'll press the power button again. It says please enter 4-digit code. 1, 2, 3, 4. After you enter the 4th digit, the phone automatically unlocks. Okay, that is it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to this channel.